Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I decided to make some aloe vera juice for my dry scalp. Um, I will just be cutting it up. As you can see, I start by cutting the end of it off, peeling off the label, just make some rough chops to get it prepped. And I basically cut off the side piece to all of them. And I repeat that until I do all of them. Now I'm going to cut them in half. I tried to cut close to the top of the peel, but sometimes it'll go a little further. So if you want to do half and half, that's fine. Either way, I'm going to use a spoon to scoop and get the gel out. And I have my the cups in my blender on the side, and as you can see, I'm scooping it in there. You really can't see it that much, but I just use a regular spoon and start scooping. Of course, the sides that are a little flat, really, there's not much that's going to come out, but I continue to scoop those anyway because I'm trying to get everything out of here because I'll be putting it in a mason jar and having it refrigerated so I can use it for different things like face masks, um, putting some in my black soap so I can shampoo my hair. Um, and I do want to make some body butter, so yeah, I want to be able to use it as much as possible. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm just scooping it out, and once I fill my blender up, I can move on to the next step. Another thing, when I finish getting all of the gel out of these ones, I am going to cut down the side of the other piece that's on the side, the long piece, like the tip of it, and I'm going to extract as much as I can out of that as well. And as you can see, this is everything that I got out of there. I went and blended it. It didn't take much. You just want to get all the chunks out. And as you can see, I'm going to take it and pour it in. And I use a pantyhose. Yes, I'm going to keep this on hand and I'm going to wash it out. If you don't have one of those, get you a cheesecloth. Either way, I'm going to pull it up some so some of it can come out. That way I can go ahead and pour the rest of the aloe vera juice in there. And I just kind of let it go in there by itself. After a while, when you get to the end, you're going to have to do a little bit of squeezing for a while. And that's just to get the rest of it out. And after that, that's everything. I got maybe close to, um, I want to say maybe like 7 ounces because this is a 16-ounce jar. So it was kind of close to halfway full. And that was just from one leaf. So, yeah. And it is kind of messy sometimes, but this is what really, really catches it. The pantyhose. There it is. Everything done. And of course, I had to clean up my station right quick so I can really give you a good look. Yeah, that's it. Hey.